Hello friends, welcome to Testing Talks Latest. Today I am going to explain how to do binary search with using Selenium and Java. Binary search can be done with the sorted array. I am going to give one example of binary search. If an array having values such as 1, 2 and 3, 5, comma 6. This is sorted values. It has different values but 4 is missed. I want to search 4 in this array. So if you want to search 4 in regular format, it will take O of n time complexity. Means I have to check all 5 items for finding whether 4 is found or not. Anyway, binary search will check by using mid value. So if mid value is greater than or less than the value we are expecting, if it is greater than the value, so since if I search for 4 in this array, so it is greater than the mid value, I'll increase the starting point as next value to mid value, and ending point I'll keep it like that, and I'll search for the values again within this remaining values. So if I try to find 2 in this search, I'll try to start from mid, and this value is less than the mid value we found, so I'll try to find from 0 to mid minus 1. Like this way it will be easy to search, and it can be computed in O of log n time complexity. So it will be nearly half of the time will be saved for this execution. So binary search will be very helpful whenever you do search and if you want to search faster, and it is efficient algorithm. Let me create a script and try to find specified value. So for finding binary search, I am going to create a class binary search. Let me move it to test folder. I am using Selenium as part of this execution so that we are going to use a test annotation. We can also use main method if you want to run using Java. So let me try with Selenium using a test annotation. For that I am going to create a method find search value with a test annotation. And let me import a test annotation. As part of this, I am going to create a binary search method which will return true or false using boolean. This need to be passed start and end values along with the array we are going to search. So for that I am going to define an array with different values. I am going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 I missed, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I am going to pass start and end point values, and start I am giving as 0, end value I am giving as array length minus 1, so that indexes will start from 0 and end with length minus 1. So let we pass the values and start trying to find whether our search will be found or not. So we need to pass the value we are searching, so that I am creating variable with value of the search. Initially we'll find 4 as part of this search. So start and end along with that value, so and integer array as part of this search. If search is found, we are going to print system out println about value with variable name value is found. Is found in array. So else case, if we get return as false, we are mentioning does not found, the value mentioned does not found in the array, so that will mention is not found. So now we have to specify the arguments into start and giving the same naming for convenience. It can be different arguments also as per the requirement. So into start index and end index into value and integer array of array. So with these values we can find the search. So default we are going to find a mid value along with the average of start and end indexes. So mid value is when we divide it by 2 by averaging start and end indexes, we can find it. So if this mid value is greater than the value, then that does mean the value will be existed in the left side of the array, or else if the value is greater than the mid value, that value is existed in the right side of array, so that we'll find it in right side. Else case, if mid value is equal to the expected value, then we'll return our search as true. So we'll find that if array of mid is greater than value, we are going to search. Then we are going to change the boundaries, such as start will be like that only because left side values we are checking. So end will be mid -1. So we are checking left side value of the mid value and we are passing for the binary search again. So start index and end index along with value and array. So with this it will be in loop to search again for a value of the items from left side indexes. So else case, else if array of mid value is less than the value specified, so the value will be on right side. So in that case, array of value is less than means the value will be right side, so that we are going to mention start as mid value +1. Still we did not find that mid value, so we are checking the values from right side with mid +1. End will be like that only, and we'll pass our arguments. So it will search again. Else case, will return true. Means we already found and our mid value equal to the value we search. So this way we are able to find our binary search. So in case if this value we are searching is not found, that mid value, we have to return from this condition, so that in that case our start index will be greater than end index. So for example, it will search mid value left side, and by incrementing start value, if in the case right side values or left side values need to be checked. If it's right side, it will be keep increasing from start, and in the case it is in the left array, it will be keep decreasing. So in that way start index can be greater than end index. In that case we are return our search does not find. So that does mean our value does not found in this array. Value does not found, we need to do recursion using binary search function, so that we will use return for this value with binary search function. So same thing for both values greater than or less than for our search. Let me run our method to see whether the value found or not. I am giving value as 4, which is not part of our array. Let me see the results. Value 4 is not found. Let me also search for 6, which is part of our array, and try to find using binary search. Value 6 is found. This is how we can do binary search, which is useful for sorted array. Subscribe my channel for the latest interview questions and tutorials. Thanks for your support.